Hey there, welcome to LSAT Demon Daily. I'm Nathan Fox, that's Ben Olson. We're the founders of LSATdemon.com and our weekly podcast, Thinking LSAT. We've got an email here from Anonymous.
Okay. Good afternoon. For some context, I'm a 31-year-old prospective law student and have been working in finance for the last 9 years after undergrad. I'm targeting a 170 to 172 LSAT score. Okay. I don't know what you have, though. I have a question on character and fitness issues. When I was 25, I was arrested for possession of an illegal substance, worse than marijuana. I represented myself in the legal matters and had the charges completely dismissed by the city attorney as stated on the state/county court website and records. How can I best explain this in my character and fitness statement? And how will this affect my chances at admissions/scholarships? I have had an exceptional career thus far in finance and have worked up to VP at my firm, not bouncing around from firm to firm as some of my colleagues have. Any information or advice is appreciated.
We always say, call your state bar. Ask them whether you even need to disclose this.
That's the issue.
If you need to disclose it, then you're going to have to disclose it. If you don't need to disclose it, then just don't. But you want to make sure that this doesn't pop up 4 years from now when you're trying to get admitted to the bar. So my guess is that you probably do have to disclose the arrest. They're probably just going to say, have you ever been arrested? Arrested or convicted.
This is classic legal work, right? You have to look at what the question asks, how it's framed, and then answer it literally, and that's it.
Right. So, you would state the facts of what happened. You would state that you did everything that you were required to do.
And that it was dismissed.
You would state that it was dismissed by the city attorney. I don't know that you really need to say much more than that. I guess you could say something like, in the 6 years since then, I have had a successful career and I have not had any further issues.
Yeah.
Something like that. But keep it simple. The more you talk about it, the worse it's going to get. So don't go into the details of why it was dismissed by the city attorney. Don't go into, don't start making it look, oh, it was bullshit. It wasn't my Coke. It was hers. And don't go into all that.
Yeah.
And I don't think you even need to editorialize very much, do you? About like, I was naive. I was whatever.
No. Just end on the good note, right? The good note is completely dismissed and maybe additional good note. Nothing's ever happened since then. Although that's also kind of implied by the fact that there's no more stuff that you're reporting, but you could shift the focus by saying you've had a successful career in finance.
Yeah, I think you just say what happened, say you did all the things you were required to do, say that it's no longer an issue, that it, these charges were completely dismissed. What do you think about, I represented myself in the legal matters?
Don't say that.
I agree. Don't say that. And the reason why I wouldn't say that is because there's a certain kind of law school applicant who considers themselves to be like pretty much already an attorney because of previous legal entanglements. And it's one of the worst, I think, one of the most naive looking types of applicants, because they just come in seeming like a problem.
Yeah.
I think that when you say I represented myself in the legal matters, you think that makes you look good, but it actually makes you look bad. So I would omit that part. I don't know that I have really much more to say about that, though.
Same.
Wrap it up. Thanks, Anonymous. Email daily@lsatdemon.com if you'd like to ask us a question or share some LSAT or law school admissions news. Thanks for listening.